The tax agency has clawed back more than $3 million in unpaid taxes and penalties from some 49 firms in the funeral industry, and that's more than 3 and 4 firms that have been under investigation since 2019. Eugene Chow with this exclusive report.
Take all the photos.
Raids over the past 5 years have uncovered skeletons in the closet for some in the funeral trade.
But that's where we came from.
So far, 3 undertakers and 1 religious practitioner have been charged for tax evasion. The Inland Revenue Authority of Singapore says poor bookkeeping practices in the industry can lead to false declarations of income or failing to register for goods and services tax on time.
Funeral parlours are usually managed by family members, and majority of the ownership lies within the family. Small businesses are observed to be at high risk of tax non-compliance as they are often cash-based and family-run. Taking the funeral industry as an example, their business practices are often marked by substantial cash transaction, poor record keeping, and weak internal control or process.
It's why IRAS is encouraging businesses in the sector to take up digital accounting software. One parlour that made the switch says moving towards bank transfers and QR code payments have made them more efficient.
The transition from a very manual kind of a recording of accounting transactions to a digital one can be eased by looking for a reputable accounting firm. They actually help us with preparing the financial statements at year end and as well as the tax reporting. So they will actually update us if there is any new rules or any regulations from IRAS. So this is how we actually ensure we are keep up to date to the latest standards.
An association representing firms in the sector says there are just a few bad eggs, and these cases do not reflect their quality of service to customers. Still, it is trying to encourage the industry to evolve.
Definitely with the help of the agencies and together with the association, we are trying to reach out to more and more of these funeral service providers to better professionalize themselves, even to advise them a bit about their statutory compliance and regulatory obligations. So this hopefully will help the whole industry transform itself to better serve the families that we serve.
Industry players add that it's in the interest of funeral parlours to put in place sound practices and preserve their own reputation.